How to apply for unemployment in Michigan. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for unemployment in Michigan, guiding you through the process to help you access financial aid. To apply, visit the Michigan Unemployment Insurance Agency website. First, create an account on the Michigan Web Account Manager portal. You'll need your social security number, employment history for the past 18 months, and details about your last employer. Complete the application with the required information, then submit it online. You can also file by phone if you prefer. After submitting, be sure to check your claim status and certify your benefits every 2 weeks. Now you know how to apply for unemployment in Michigan, allowing you to take the next steps confidently.